Flip a fucking cross, I don't need a messiah. Fuck the ground of thoughts, I gotta find a barbed wire. Burn a fucking church, light a blunt with the fire. Fumes got my head spinning like a fucking tire. Me and my whole clique up pariahs. Hitting C notes like a choir. Hitting C notes like Mariah. Your bitch wanna give me your saliva. Add a single bitches to the dick, now that's a hydra. Prior to the Odyssey, I fucked your mom vagina. She was soft and wet like papaya. Super soft for higher. Holes in my designer. Haters know me like a fucking sniper. Me and Slick and ripping blades waiting to retire.
It's that corpse creeping out the graveyard. Snort an 8-ball, bullets fall like a raindrop on a stable. 5150, sidewalk killer. North side gorilla, grade 5, not militia. I'm a pawn, get the picture, shooting jump through my tissue. Walking summer with chinchilla, sipping lean with no filler. Triple the 6, fuck a bitch, I get that itch, I gotta scratch you. Is a bitch you never scrapped, I got them demons on my back.
They telling me it's time to fucking kill tonight. Riding with the light stem and the scope on sight. What a thrill when that trigger finger pull. Out for hell, fuck the law, pussy boy, fuck you.
Creeping out the jungle, it's a silverback gorilla, man. Beating on my chest, I pull up, then I blow your fucking brains. Throw your ligaments inside a pit, and then I watch them burn. Dance around the flames, I'm spitting out these sacrificial words. Roll me up a blunt with the page that I read about the Bible. I've been feeling homicidal, gripping on my fucking rifle. Bitch, you thinking that you safe, but I find out where the fuck you stay. Pull up to your neighborhood and let the fucking gate spray. Bomb sauce, and I do the soft, and I lay inside my coffin raw, and I see it blood, and I'm skating down through Compton caution. And when I'm trying, I'm about to fucking rob him. Hanging from the crucifix and leave his family just to watch him.
Release was semi, besides the Henny, his eyes that seen plenty. Things get skinny as of Queens was a crack Jenny. Instead of diet plans, it's crack 200 grams. I pump a G-Pack, peeping for where the D's at. It's slow, looking for Rambo, the cop who got raised back in the days. Chasing niggas through my project maze. That cop, he got a death wish. He run behind niggas until you breathless. Every day he making 10 arrest shit. My nigga, check this, I know the bitch he rests with. I even blessed it, 40-10 inspected. Already checked it, done his ankle, you can see it's good. Pete, we parked his Jeep in the back of the slum to check Tanisha. Fat ass, real fly, with the blonde Caesar. Fettuccine summer gear, she puts the two-seater. I heard she brag about the way he eat her. An Irish man, short, slim with a tan. They say he laced the cheaper. She do be looking weaker now, her teeth are foul. Speaking loud, people style, in and out of every reefer cloud. Fat ass dissolving, like cotton candy in a mouth that's starving. Rockin' same gear daily, like a soldier in my squadron. I heard she let Jake investigate from a window, cause she's an info. Sucking dick and coughing up info. So now it's set up, her and the beast to get wet up. I know he's vest up, we blazing from the neck up. Yo, let me not curse. Soon as he opened the chick lock burst, they had the chains on, son hit the lock first. We busted in the cop jerk, jungle pop one in his shirt. I grabbed the bitch by a titch, she tried to say she earth. We saw the cameras, tape recorders and the monitors, they eyeing us. Nas, yo, he survived, one from the 4-5. Pull the shades down, he seen his last days now. There's no way now, we could be treated just like a slave now. Two in the dome, he's laid down, and yo, the bitch is saved now. She's living in a snitch grave now. Shootout similar to Wild West. Broad daylight, face to face without a vest. You know the episodes, thugs, camouflage, and spectacles. Please God to save the lives that the devil sold. See, it was written but was never told. Peep the Jews, black man, it's even better than gold. Niggas roll with iron, police roll in high pursuit, trying to stop the loot. Fuck Jake, cop the shoot. Still on the streets with my peeps so deep. We threw a block party for my man going up creek. To do is 2 to 4, niggas show love from all around the board. Peace, Lord, Sony Handycam on record. Pop a bottle, cause when you come home, we still got it sewn. We could watch the tape, play back and just zone. Film all the bitches, on the benches with ill and stenches. We blocked the streets off, only crew cars could enter. Music was loud and it was crowded. Barbecue wings, we fed the fiends. Gamble in the back, killers shouted. And Frank tried to stop the bank, lost about what a rolling course. Guzzle his drink and stag it off. He's a big wheel, used to slang krill, now he on the hill. Couldn't take losing his cash and I could feel something in the air, yeah. Frank returned Pierre, a gunslinger who niggas hadn't seen in a year. I usually be holding, especially this type of weekend. And everyone except for me has started reaching. They had gats in each other's faces with kids and grandmothers around. Frank's only concern was his papers. My man Killer lit off, half of them fake niggas jet off. Police blitz quick, waiting for that to set off. Running the static, it got me mad cause they a bunch of faggots. Starting shit in my hood, I can't have it, yo high. Get the 40 Cali stainless. Jake is still out, let's make it real and still make them niggas famous. Dip behind trees and fatigues and squeeze. Dodge and weave, hearing Jake retaliating. And Wiz was up the alley waiting, we breathe. Jump in the ride, heard Pierre died. Eternal bleeding inside, and ain't been back since 95. Shootouts are similar to Wild West. Broad daylight, face to face without a vest. Shootouts are similar to Wild West. Broad daylight, face to face without a vest. You know the episodes, thugs, camouflage, and spectacles. Please God to save the lives that the devil sold. See, it was written but was never told. Keep the Jews, black man, it's even better than gold. Niggas rolling iron, police rolling high pursuit, trying to stop the little nigga. Fuck Jake, cop the shoot.
Taking all our weaknesses and making it to our strengths. We know that we got strength in numbers. We already